jacuzzi is finally working. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. It's so exciting. So now the whole area is finished. Woo! Jacuzzi nights are coming.
Ernest P. built this awesome indoor hot tub for his family in Portsmouth, Idaho. Look at that jet action. That is robust. Here is my own spa, built here in Connecticut, almost 10 years ago. This spa has 16 jets, LED lighting, seats 8 people comfortably, and we use it almost every single day. Here's just one more great example of a DIY spa built by Tom M. at his family's vacation home in Costa Rica. Get started on your own hot tub project right now. You'll be amazed at the amount of money you can save on a hot tub by building it yourself. For instant access to my books and video info package, go to my website www.custombuiltspas.com.